dog treats. So, these are from Knead Bakeshop.
Knead Love Bakeshop.
Knead Love Bakeshop. I love some mac and cheese. That's Mac and that's Kitty.
Do they like treats?
Yes, like doggy treats. Look at his dog. That's what's inside the dog treats. This is a special surprises here.
You ready to make them?
Yeah. Look at these selection.
Yeah. Smell like.
It smells like can. It smells like Mac marshmallow.
It smells like mac wants to smell. What does it smell like? Peanut butter. What about you, Keely? Oh, peanut butter. Put it back. All right, smush it together. No. There you go.
I don't know, that's a taco, but I love taco.
It does.
That's taco.
Keep going.
Listen. This has to be a horse. What's going to be a horse race?
Tell me how they look.
They look so yummy. Then we'll give them to the dogs to learn us throw out the oven.
Mac snagged that one. Want to get that one to Keely?
Yes, look at Kitty dog.
Oh, she's gobbling that up. Mac looks like he wants some more.
They are happier.
They're happier.
Yes.
See, they got treats in their tummies.
Oh, that's not happy.
You want some more, gosh.